Keep showing up. If no one invests in you, invest in yourself. If no one believes in you, believe in yourself. Even if you don't see the results right away, keep showing up until you do see the results. Even if you don't see the results for a very, very long time, keep showing up. What if the results don't come? They're not going to come if you quit. Keep showing up. I'm tired. Keep showing up. I don't feel like it. Keep showing up. I can't see any results. Keep showing up. I don't know where to start. Just start. Do something. Take that first step. Every step you take adds up.
Guys, this is a Project 50, which is day 4 ice skating. And I want to improve myself to do skating by the help of my friends. I'm so tired, guys. And let's see kung mag-improve ako dito. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's see. Forget this.
Good job. Up. Good. Left, right, left, right. Right leg, good. Good. Давай. Left, right, left, right. Good. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So turning only with your body. Yeah, when you turn body, it's turning.
A few moments later.
Bali magkikita pala kami ngayon, guys, ni Valera. Magsasakay daw kami dun sa Lego bus. Tapos meron ding meron din daw ice skating. Eh di yun, samahan nyo ako, guys. Para pa mapangit. Yung ka talaga, guys, pag first time mo, kailangan i-document natin yung sarili natin, no? At napakabait itong ating tropa dito, si Valera. So, hindi ako marunong gumamit na ito. Dawan. Good? Good. Oh my God, it's my first time, guys. I don't know what to do.
Just go, not move.
You must stay like this and move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
You need penguin.
Pangit ng vlog ko, guys. Pangit ng vlog ko ngayon, guys. Hindi ako makunin, hindi ako matuto.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Діти тепер катайтеся.
Давай, малой. Давай, one circle and come on. Так, надо топать.
Давай. Ззаді.
Он поехал! Huy.
Time out muna, sobrang pagod ako. Pero natuto naman ako. At least nag-grow tayo do. May improvement naman yung pag ano natin, pag ice skating. Okay guys, this is day 4 of our Project 50. No? I'm here with Katja. Say day 4. Day 4.
Day 4? Ah,
Day 4.
Portugal.
Day 4
Day
of Project 50. Project 50. Project 50, improving myself, creating good habits, and yun guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. See you.